Across centuries, early human ingenuity paired simple pulleys and levers with steam and steel to lift cities skyward. This episode traces milestones from the crane's birth in the 19th century to modern digital twins guiding precision demolition worldwide. In the United States, giant excavators reshaped ports and suburbs, while in Japan, high-reach cranes transformed dense coastal terrains. Case studies follow the Aswan Dam project, London's tunnels, and Brazil's offshore rigs showing how machines enable resilience and growth. The narrative culminates with autonomous systems and sustainable hybrids that redefine efficiency while honoring the craft and cultures behind every lift.